hard disk. This is also another kind of a secondary storage media. Look at the definition. It is a type of magnetic storage media. It is a type of magnetic secondary storage media. As I told you that CD, DVD, BDs, they all are optical secondary storage media that uses the optical or the laser light to read or write the information stored on CD, DVD or BD. But this hard disk, it is a type of magnetic secondary storage media. As this indicates, it is a storage media that uses the magnetic material to store the data. That means the data are stored in magnetized medium. It can store large amount of data. If we talk about the storage capacity, it can store huge amount of data, large amount of data. It can store data up to 2 TB to 5 TB. That means this is the storage capacity of hard disk. It can hold more data, that is up to 2 TB to 5 TB data. TB stands for terabyte, and maybe you all know this thing that 1 TB is equals to 1024 GB, gigabyte. There are two types of hard disk, fixed and portable. Hard disks are available in two types. One is fixed. Here fixed means that is fixed inside the CPU or the system unit. And one is portable. Portable, as I told you, portable means any device that is small or light weighted and that which we can easily carry from one place to another place. That means we can easily move around any place and easily we can carry in our pocket also. So portable means very light weighted or small device that we can move from one place to another place. So in portable hard disk, there is a wire, and how we attach this portable hard disk to a computer? Through USB port. Students, what is USB port? USB port is a kind of computer port that is used to connect any device or equipment to the computer. USB port means any computer port that is used to connect any device or equipment to a computer. So these hard disks are available in two types. One is fixed inside the CPU and one is portable that we connect through USB port. And what is the function of hard disk? It is used to store the data up to 2 TB to 5 TB data. Next is pen drive. Go. It is also known as flash drive. Pen drive is also known as flash drive. You must have seen this pen drive. This is very small and lightweighted that we can easily carry in our hands. And it is also known as flash drive. But students, what is flash drive? Flash drive here means any small electronic device. Pen drive is also, pen drive is also known as flash drive. Why so? Because flash drive means any small electronic device that uses the flash memory to store the data. Again, any small electronic device that uses the flash memory in order to retain or save the data. Here flash memory means that the data will be stored even in the absence of the power supply. The data will be stored even in the absence of the power supply, that is flash memory. So the flash drive means any small electronic device that uses the flash memory in order to store the data. So pen drive is also known as flash drive. That means pen drive is a small device that can store the data even in the absence of the power supply. If we talk about the storage capacity, it is used to store large amount of data. It can hold large means huge amount of data, and it is very easy to copy and move the data from one computer to another computer. By using this pen drive, this secondary storage media, we can easily copy any document or files from a computer and we can transfer it from one computer to another computer. If we talk about its size, it is very small in size, like this much size, and lightweighted, as I told you, lightweighted, portable too, that we can easily carry in our pockets and we can easily move from one place to another place. And if we talk about the storage capacity, it can hold data from 1 GB to 2 TB. This is the storage capacity of the pen drive. Again, pen drive is any small electronic device that uses the flash memory. That means the data will be stored even in the absence of the power supply in order to store the data. And it stores large amount of data, and With the help of this pen drive, we can easily copy and move any document or files from one place, one computer to another computer. It is small, lightweighted and portable too, and it can hold data from 1 GB to 2 TB. Next is memory card. Memory card is also one of the secondary storage device used to store the data. A memory card, also known as flash memory. As I told you, flash memory means that the data will be stored even in the absence of the power supply. And it is also known as the storage card. Here storage card, as the name indicates, that the card which is used to store the data and information. It is small and rectangular in shape. If we talk about the shape of this memory card, it is rectangular in shape. It is used to store the text, picture, video and audio files. What is the function of memory card? If it is a secondary storage device, it is obviously means that it is used to store the information in the form of text, pictures, pictorial format, videos and audio files. They are commonly used in smartphones. We use the smart card, which is also a storage card or the memory card, in our smartphones or the digital cameras. They can store data up to 128 GB. And what is the storage capacity of this memory card? They can hold the data up to 128 GB. Again, memory card is also known as flash memory. Flash memory, as I told you, that the data will be stored even in the absence of the power supply. Also known as the storage card, which is used to store the data. It is small in size, but the shape of memory card is rectangular. It is portable device. We can easily carry from one place to another place, and also we can easily keep in our pockets. It is used to store the text. What is the function of memory card? We use it for storing text, picture or video and audio files, and they are commonly used in smartphone or the digital cameras, and it can hold data up to 128 GB. So these are some secondary storage devices.